Hello students, welcome to all in our ROSA project. The ROSA project conducted by Rayat Shikshan Sanstha of Sadguru Gadge Maharaj College, Karad. Myself, Suryanshi JH, my subject name is chemistry. Today we are going to learn topic electrochemistry. Now today's lecture is the lecture number 4. In the last lecture, we have discussed the standard cell potentials, Nernst equations. With the help of Nernst equation, how to calculate the electrode potential and cell potentials calculate that are discussed. Now today we can start the next important point, reference electrode. What is a reference electrode? We know that in the galvanic cell, oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. The potential associated with the redox reaction can be experimentally measured. For the measurement of potential of two electrodes need to be combined together where the redox reactions occurs. A reference electrode is then defined as electrode whose potential is arbitrarily taken as 0 or also exactly known. Hydrogen gas electrode consisting hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure in contact with 1 molar H plus ion solution as a primary reference electrode. The potential of this electrode has arbitrarily taken as 0. The electrode is called as SHE. That is standard hydrogen electrode. This is the primary reference electrode whose potential is to be known or also exactly taken as 0. SHE is not the most convenient electrode. Several other electrodes, namely calomel, silver chloride, and glass electrodes with known potential are used as a secondary reference electrodes. The potential of these electrodes are determined using SHE. So what is SHE? You know SHE. What is the SHE? Pure and dry hydrogen gas is bubbled around platinide platinum plate which are immersed in 1 molar H plus ion solution. The question asks for exam. Draw and sketch level diagram of SHE for 1 mark. And what is SHE? What is SHE? A pure and dry hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure is bubbled around platinide platinum plate which are immersed 1 molar H plus ion solution. Then how to construct the cell? SHE consists of platinum plate coated by platinum plate. It is also called as platinum black. Okay, this plate is connected to external circuit. Okay, connected to external circuit through sealed narrow glass tube containing mercury. It is surrounded by outer glass jacket. The platinum electrode immersed in the 1 molar H plus solution. The solution is kept saturated with dissolved hydrogen by bubbling hydrogen gas under 1 atmospheric pressure through side tube of the jacket. Platinum does not take part in the electrode reaction. It is inert electrode and serve as a site of electron transfer. Okay, so it is inert electrode and serve as a electron transfer. Now, how to represent the SHE formulation? Platinum electrode on the right side, hydrogen gas insoluble substances at interior position with its pressure 1 atmospheric pressure, single vertical line, its aqueous solution H plus 1 molar. According to the conventions, we can represent the cell formula according to the cell diagram. What is the electrode reaction? You know, if SHE serve as a cathode, then the reduction of reaction takes place. What is the present in the solution? H plus ions. Such H plus ions accept electron, hydrogen gas liberated, which having potential is 0.0 volt. If it can serve as a anode, the reaction is reverse. Okay. What is the reverse reaction which takes place at anode? Hydrogen, it gives 2H plus plus 2E minus, it having potential 0.0 volt. What are the applications of SHE? SHE is used as a primary reference electrode to determine the standard potential of other electrodes. Okay. What are the difficulties in the setting? It is difficult to obtain pure and dry hydrogen gas. Second, the pressure of hydrogen gas cannot be maintained exactly 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay. So, also concentration. So, due to the bubbling of gas, concentration 1 molar maintain, it is difficult. Okay. It is difficult to maintain 1 molar concentration of H plus ions due to the bubbling of gas into the solution. Evaporation of water may takes place. This result changing in the concentration of solution. So there are three difficulties. It is difficult to pure and dry hydrogen gas. The pressure dry hydrogen gas cannot be maintained exactly 1 atmospheric pressure. Most important thing is concentration 1 molar H plus ion cannot be maintained. Due to the bubbling of gas into the solution, there was evaporation takes place. Evaporation of water may takes place. Due to this evaporation, concentration will be changed. So then Holtec or galvanic cell. So there are two types of the Holtec or galvanic cells, primary Holtec cell and secondary Holtec cell. Then what is the primary Holtec cell? The Holtec cell that cannot be recharged. For example, dry cell, such cell which are used in the calculators, torches, lasers, batteries. Okay, so that is the primary Holtec cell. The Holtec cell that cannot be recharged during discharging of the cell. Okay, when a galvanic cell discharges during current generation, the chemicals are consumed in a primary Holtec cell. Once the chemicals are consumed, cell reaction will be stopped. The cell reaction cannot be reversed even after reversing direction of current flow, or this cell cannot be recharged. Example, dry cell. While in the case of secondary Holtec cell, for example, lead storage battery. So such battery which are used in two-wheeler, four-wheelers. Okay, in the secondary Holtec cell, the chemicals are consumed during current generation can be regenerated. For this purpose, external potential slightly greater than the cell potential is applied across the electrode. This result reversal of the direction of current flow, causing the reversal of cell reaction. This is recharging of the cell. So the Holtec cell can be recharged. That is called as secondary Holtec cell. For example, lead storage, battery, mercury cell, nickel cadmium cell. Understand what is the primary Holtec cell? The Holtec cell that cannot be recharged. After discharging, it can be rejected. While in the case of secondary Holtec cell, the Holtec cell that can be recharged by reversing direction of flow of electric current. Okay, it can recharge. So that is secondary Holtec cell. Okay, then dry cell. First is the primary Holtec cell. What is the construction? The container of the cell is made up of zinc, which serves as anode, negative. This is the anode, which is act as anode, carries negative charge. It is lined inside from porous paper, okay, to separate it from the other material of the cell. Now, and an inert graphite carbon rod, which are immersed at the center, which serve as a cathode. It is surrounded by paste of carbon with manganese dioxide. Okay, this is the manganese dioxide and carbon paste, and remaining space of this cell was filled by paste of ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Some starch will be added to prevent leak out. Okay, what is the construction? The container of the cell is made up of zinc, serve as anode, negative charge. It is lined inside from porous paper. It can separate it from the other material of the cell. And inert graphite rod, which are placed at the middle of the cell, act as cathode, positive charge. It is surrounded by carbon with manganese dioxide paste, and remaining or rest of the cell filled of the electrolyte by paste of zinc chloride and ammonium chloride. Some starch was added to prevent leak out. This is the construction of the cell. Then what is the working of this cell? First, oxidation at anode. You know, zinc loses Zn plus 2 electron. Such electron comes in contact with ammonium ions, because in the zinc container, zinc chloride and ammonium chloride are present. So zinc electron does not react with zinc and chlorine. It can react with directly ammonium ion. So ammonium ion, which can accept such electron at ammonia gas and hydrogen gas, okay, is liberated. Mostly hydrogen gas is liberated at the cathode. So such hydrogen gas produced a further reduction reaction, okay, which is oxidized by MnO2 and prevents its collection at the cathode. Hydrogen gas, which is contact with the MnO2 paste, hydrogen is positive, carbon is positive, which are repulsed. So hydrogen reacts with the MnO2. It can produce Mn2O3 plus H2O, eliminate. So this is the reduction of reaction. So net cell reduction reaction. What is the hydrogen is cancelled out. What is the reaction? Twice of NH4 plus twice of MnO2 plus 2 electron. It can give Mn2O3 plus 2NH3 plus H2O. Okay. So this is the net reduction reaction. Then what is the net cell reaction? So we can add the oxidation at anode, this reaction, and the reduction, total net cell reduction reaction. We get net cell reaction. So adding these two equations, we get the net cell equation Zn plus 2 NH4 plus 2 MnO2. It can give Zn plus 2 plus Mn2O3 plus 2 moles of NH3 plus H2. The cell will be discharged due to the acidic condition, due to the bubbling of hydrogen gas. So what is the reason to discharging the cell? The reaction carried out acidic due to the ammonium chloride. So if the cell discharge, it can be rejected. Okay. So actually the reaction takes place. Zinc ion plus 4 moles of ammonia, it gives tetraammonium zinc complex will be prepared. So uses of dry cell, it is used in flashlights, portable radios, tape recorders and clocks, etc. Secondary Holtec cell. The Holtec cell that can be recharged by reversing direction of flow of electric current. So that is lead storage battery. So it consists lead accumulator, store electrical energy due to the regeneration of original reactant during recharging. It functions as a galvanic cell and as an electrolytic cell as well. Okay. What is the construction? It consists of lead plate packed with spongy lead, serve as an anode. This is the lead plate with spongy lead which act as anode, negative charge. Another group of the lead plate bearing lead dioxide serve as a cathode, carries positive charge. These two lead plates which are connected alternatively in a series, okay, to provide large reacting surface. The cell contains several plates of each type. The two types of the plates are alternatively arranged in a series. These electrodes are immersed in an electrolytic aqueous solution of 38% sulfuric acid solution. Then what is the notation, representation of the cell? So Pb single vertical line, Pb SO4 solid in state, single vertical line 38% H2SO4, single vertical line PbSO4, single vertical line PbO2, single vertical line Pb. But this notation, so please, this is very most important. It is understanding after the studying the oxidation, reduction, half reactions. Okay. Firstly, cell reaction during discharging the cell. If the cell during discharging the cell, it work as a Holtec or galvanic cell. In the Holtec or galvanic cell, you know, cathode carries positive charge, anode carries negative charge. So what is the oxidation takes place? You know, lead having tendency. So what is the tendency of anode rod? It having tendency to losing the ions in the solution. So Pb, it loses Pb plus 2 ions with losing electrons. Okay, such electrons are comes contact in the solution. Solution consists H2SO4 solution, H2SO4. Out of these H plus ion, SO4 minus 2 ions, Pb plus charge, Pb plus 2 charge, hydrogen carries positive charge, it can repulse one. So Pb reacts with sulfate ions and it get precipitated out as a PbSO4. So this is the oxidation at anode. While writing the total oxidation of reaction at anode, Pb plus 2 ions cancel. We get Pb plus Pb solid in state plus SO4 minus 2. It gives PbSO4 plus 2 electron. This is the oxidation of reaction. Understand? Pb ions, Pb loses Pb ions with losing electron. Such Pb ions comes in contact with sulfate ions. Lead sulfate get precipitated out. Okay. So PbSO4. This is the anode half cell notation. Now reduction at cathode. What is the reduction? You know, Pb with PbO2. Cathode serve as a PbO2. So such losing lead electron which can comes contact with PbO2. So in the solution, what is remain? H2, out of H2SO4, what is remain? H plus ions. Such PbO2 which can accept H plus ions with accepting electron, it gives Pb contact with H plus contact with O2, it can form H2, and what remain in the solution? Pb plus 2 ions. Understand? What understand? PbO2 which can accept H plus electron, it can gives. So hydrogen reacts with H plus ions, reacts with O2, it can produces water. What remain? Pb plus 1 ions. So such Pb plus 2 ions, again sulfate ions reacts to produce PbSO4, precipitate out. So then what is the net cell reduction reaction? Pb plus 2 reaction. Substances, ions are cancelled. What remain? PbO2 plus 4H plus SO4 minus plus 2E minus, it gives PbSO4 plus H2. Okay, this is the cell reaction during discharging. Such cell was discharged. After discharging the cell, okay, we can provide the external circuit. If we can provide the external circuit, then it work as a electrolytic cell. You know electrolytic cell, okay? You know electrolytic cell. What is the electrolytic cell? In this cell, cathode is negative, anode is positive. So, what is the trick to writing the cell reactions? You know that in the case of during discharging the cell, the reaction takes place at cathode. Reaction takes place at cathode. Such reaction which are takes place during recharging the cell at reversible manner and opposite electrode. Okay, if in the reaction takes place at the cathode, what is the reaction takes place? Such reaction takes place at anode in a reverse manner. Okay, suppose what is the reduction half reaction takes place? Such reduction half reaction takes place during the recharging the cell. Such reaction takes place. What is the reaction? This is the reduction half reaction takes place. Such reduction half reaction, okay, such reduction half reaction which are takes place at anode but reverse manner. While in the case of, okay, in the case of cathode during recharging the cell, the reaction takes place at a cathode. The reaction takes place at a cathode. Which reaction takes place? The reaction takes place at anode in the discharging the cell, but at a reversible manner. See here, cathode. What is the reaction cathode? PbSO4 plus twice of H2. Okay, this reaction takes place at anode, reversible manner. See here, PbSO4 plus twice of H2, it gives PbO2 plus 4H plus SO4 minus 2 plus 2E minus. What is the reaction at cathode? The reaction takes place at anode during discharging the cell, which takes place in the reversible manner. What is the reaction? PbSO4 plus 2E minus, it gives Pb plus SO4 minus 2 charge. So what is the net cell reaction? So PbSO4 plus twice of PbSO4 plus twice of H2, it gives Pb plus PbO2 plus twice of H2SO4. So that is the cell during recharging. Okay, so discharging, the reaction during discharging which takes place, okay, in the cell, which are inverse of discharging the cell with opposite electrodes. Okay, that means anodes, the reaction takes place at anode. Such reaction takes place in discharging the cell on which? Cathode, but reverse manner. Okay, in the case of cathode reduction of reaction during recharging the cell, such reaction takes place at discharging the cell at anode but reverse manner. Okay, understand this point? So this is the very most important and a very, very simple one. So from above reaction, what are the uses of lead storage? It is used as a direct current in the laboratory. Lead storage battery constructed by connected 6 or 2-volt cells in a series is used in the automobile. Then next, secondary dry cell. It is nickel cadmium or nickel storage cell. Nickel cadmium cell is a secondary dry cell. It is a dry cell that can be recharged. Anode of nickel cadmium storage cell is cadmium metal. The cathode is nickel 4th oxide. NiO2 supported on the nickel The electrolytic solution is basic. Now the electrode reaction and overall cell reaction. So cathode, cadmium. So cadmium acts as a oxidation at anode. Cadmium acts as anode and nickel acts as cathode. Okay, cadmium loses. So cadmium loses electron and it comes contact with the OH minus ions. It gives CdOH2 plus, losing 2 electrons. Nickel oxide reacts with H2O with accepting electron. It can give nickel hydroxide. What remain in the solution? OH minus in the solution. What is the net cell equation? So net cell equation is OH minus ions cancelled. So what is the equation? Electron it get cancelled. Equation we get Cd solid in state plus NiO2 solid in state plus twice of H2 liquid in state. It gives CdOH2 solid in state plus NiOH2 solid in state. So it is used as a electronic watches, calculator, photographic equipment. Second dry cell, that is the mercury electrode. In the mercury electrode, zinc acts as anode while mercury electrode acts as a cathode. So mercury battery is a secondary dry cell and it can be recharged. The mercury battery consists of zinc anode and amalgamated with mercury. The cathode is paste of mercury and carbon. Electrolyte is strongly alkaline and made up of paste KOH and zinc oxide. So what is the reaction? Zinc loses ions. So it can contact with OH minus ions. It can form zinc oxide plus H2 plus 2 electron. Such H2 contact with mercuric oxide. So plus 2E minus, it can give mercury plus 2OH minus. While adding these two equation, OH minus cancel, H2 cancel, electron cancel. What is the equation? Zinc mercury plus HO solid. It can give zinc oxide solid plus mercury liquid. So such cell mercury battery which can provide the voltage 1.35. Okay. Then it is used as a hearing aids, electric watches, pacemakers, etc. Now what is the fuel cell? Functioning of fuel cell is based on the fact that combustion reaction are of redox type and it can be used to generate electricity. The fuel cell reactants are not placed within the cell. They are continuously supplied the electrode from the reservoir. Such cell does not discharge. In this cell, one of the reactant is fuel, such as hydrogen gas or methanol. The other reactant, such as oxygen, is oxidant. So hydrogen, this is the H2O2 fuel cell. In this H2O2 fuel cell, hydrogen acts as an anode. So there are two platinum plates. In the platinum plate, hydrogen and oxygen is passed through the cell. So such electrodes which are immersed in the solution containing hot KOH solution. So hydrogen gas is continuously bubbled through the anode and oxygen gas is through the cathode into the electrolyte. This is the construction. What is the cell reaction? Twice of H2 plus 4 moles of OH minus, it gives H2O plus 4E minus electrons. Reduction reaction at cathode, O2 plus H2O plus 4E minus, it gives 4OH minus. So addition these two equations we get. So 4 electron cancel, H2O cancel, 4 H2O, 2 H2O, 2 out of 4 H2O, 2 H2O cancel. We get twice of H2 plus O2, it gives twice of H2. So this is the fuel cell. The chemical energy released during the formation of OH bond is directly converted into electrical energy. The cell continues to operate as long as H2 and O2 gases are supplied to electrodes. Now, what are the advantages of fuel cell? The reacting substances are continuously supplied to the electrodes. Unlike conventional galvanic cells, fuel cells do not have to be discarded on consuming the chemicals. They are non-polluting as the only reaction product is water. Fuel cells provide electricity with an efficiency of about 70%, which is twice large when compared with efficiency of thermal plant, only 40%. What are the drawbacks of fuel cell? H2 gas is hazardous to handle and the cost of preparing H2 is high. What are the applications of fuel cell? Fuel cell is used experimentally basis in automobiles. The fuel cell is used for electrical power in the space program. The spacecraft's fuel cell is operated at such high temperature that of water evaporates at the same rate as it formed. The vapor is condensed and pure water formed is used for drinking by astronauts. In future, the fuel cell can be possibly be explored as power generators in hospitals, hotels, and homes. Electrochemical cells, that is electromotive force series. The electromotive force series, the standard potential of a number of electrodes have been determined using standard hydrogen electrode. These electrodes with their half reactions are arranged according to their decreasing standard potentials. This arrangement is called as EMF series. That means in this series, electrode and electrode half reactions are arranged in the order of decreasing standard potential. This is the EMF series. In this series, so at the middle of this series of electrochemical series, so first key point is the electrode. These are the electrode and these are the electrode half reactions, which are arranged in the order of decreasing standard potentials. Here, above the EMF series, positive potential are arranged. Below the EMF series, negative potential are arranged. Okay, this is the first key points, first conventions. Second is the standard potential are the reduction potential. So we refer as a reduction half reaction in this series. Second key point. Third, hydrogen electrode are placed at the middle of this series, which having potentially 0.0 volt. Fourth is the above hydrogen electrode positive potential increases. Okay. Next, below the hydrogen electrode negative potential increases. Okay. Now you know that oxidizing agent are placed on the left hand side while reducing agent on the right hand side. You know, cathode having positive potential. That means at cathode reduction of reaction takes place. So it acts as oxidizing agent. That means strength of oxidizing agent increases from bottom to the top. That means strongest oxidizing agent at the top of the EMF series. You know, anode having potential negative, oxidation takes place, it acts as reducing agent. Strength of reducing agent increases from top to bottom. That means strongest reducing agent are placed at the bottom of the EMF series. This is the key points which are discussed within 2 minutes. The half reactions are written as the reductions. The oxidizing agent and electrons appear on the left side, while reducing agent are right side. Below hydrogen electrode negative standard potential increases. Above hydrogen electrode positive potential increases. E0 values apply reduction of reaction that occur forward direction is written. Higher potential half reaction indicate its greater tendency to occur forward direction and in turn greater tendency for the substance to reduce. Okay. E0 value of half reaction corresponding to greater tendency to occur reverse direction or for the substance to oxidize. What are the applications of EMF series? First is the relative strength of oxidizing agent. So higher the potential, now as we move down the table, E0 value and strength of oxidizing agent decreases. That means, so from top to bottom. Okay, oxidizing agent strength decrease from top to bottom. That means strongest oxidizing agent are on the top according to their potential. Higher positive potential, reduction reaction takes place. That means it acts as oxidizing agent. Second, relative strength of reducing agent. Lower the potential, it having tendency to the oxidation. That means it acts as reducing agent. So strength of reducing agent increases from top to bottom. E0 values decreases. Spontaneity of a redox reaction. A redox reaction in galvanic cell is a spontaneously only if the species with higher E0 value is reduced and that the lower value is oxidized. Okay, so standard cell potential can be calculated from formula E0 cell is equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. So general rule, an oxidizing agent can oxidize any reducing agent that appears below it and cannot oxidize reducing agent appearing below it in electrochemical series. And reducing agent can reduce the oxidizing agent located above it in the electrochemical series. So thank you very much.